Welcome to VXLab. You can launch the tool whenever you create a project. This is the interface of the tool. You can see the blank canvas in the center. It is called the stage. It is the space that you will place your elements on and make them into a HTML5 project. There are some fixed panels in the tool. On the right-hand side is the toolset panel. You can click the arrow at the top to view more tool options. Next to the toolset panel is the property panel. It shows the property of the selected object on object tree, which is on the right-hand side. Different objects have different items on their property panels. You will also notice that there are some extensions on the right-hand side. These are additional tool options. On the top is the menu bar. Besides the basic operation, you can also find other resources in the menu bar. We will introduce them to you later in each session. Let's drag and drop an image to the stage and introduce two more important concepts in VXLab. The first one is time. With timeline, you can create animations and interesting interactions. Whenever you add a timeline or a track to an object, you will see the timeline panel on the bottom. You can change the length of the timeline, add keyframes, and move the image. You can preview the animation in the timeline panel. The second one is the event. It controls the conditions of actions to play. Let's first add an object, for example, a shape, and then add event to the shape. Now you see the event panel. In order to control the animation by clicking the shape, we choose condition click on the event panel. The target object is the track, and the action is play. Then we can preview if it meets our assumption. If you want to collect some data, such as having a survey by using VXLab, you can use Database tool. After adding it to the stage, you see the Database panel. To create an interactive project, you will use most of the panels introduced above. But don't worry if you still don't know much about them. Keep watching the video tutorials and you will be able to make amazing projects.